Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? I hope so. You are in good at home. Students, today I am present with new video. Today's topic is questions. So, students, please watch carefully. My dear students, today's topic is questions. So, read carefully. Compare the two columns and note that difference between a statement and a questions. So, my dear students, watch carefully. This is statement and this is questions. Statement is, suppose I will go. Question arises here, will I go? Second one is, birds sing. Question arises, do birds sing? Next one is, Rama fell down. Did Rama fell down? This is the question. Did Rama fell down? Radha laughs. Does Radha laughs? Does Radha laughs is the question and Radha laughs is the statement. So, my dear students, you know better if we start questions end with question marks. You know na? Okay. Next, she is dancing. She is dancing. Question arises here, is she dancing? Question arises, is she dancing and end with question mark. Again, Rama is clever. Is Rama clever? This is the question. Is Rama clever? They are cousins. Are they cousins? Next one is, Hari has got a watch. Hari has got a watch. Question arises here, has Hari got a watch? Next one, he is coming. Question arises, is he coming? Because end with question marks. So, my dear students, definition is, a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark. You know better? Again read. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark. So, usually questions start with what? So, think more. Question start with what? So, make any interrogative sentence. Suppose, what are you doing there? What are you doing at home? Just like, because we use what. So usually question start with what and how. How is also. So we use how are you? How will you come to school? How can you solve this problem? These types of words you can make easily. Next one, when? Yes, when will your class start? Next, why? Why are you sorting? In this class also, why are you talking? Why are you sorting? Like this. This is question. Start with question marks. Next one, who? Who is inside the class? We can say that who is inside the class and who help you. Next one, which? Okay, which pencil do you like most? Either which pen do you like most? So, students, look some examples Read carefully. How many children are there in your class? This statement also end with question mark. So we can say that this sentence is interrogative sentence. Now students dear, so read carefully. Where are you going tomorrow? Where are you going tomorrow? Next one. Which is your favorite game? Which is your favorite game? When do you sleep? When do you sleep? This also start with when and end with question marks. We can say that this is interrogative sentence. What is your name? Start with what, ends with question mark. So we can say this is also interrogative sentence. So students, when will you come? Look carefully. This sentence start with when, end with question mark. You understood well? I hope so. Which is your favorite cartoon? Do you like most to watch cartoon now? Yes. So which is your favorite cartoon? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? Start with who, end with question mark. You know better. This is interrogative sentence. Why do you like cricket so much? क्रिकेट खेलना क्यों पसंद करते हैं? Why? Starting why, end with question mark. How are you? Somebody ask you how are you? Where are you going? What do you do? Why are you crying? Why are you shouting? Like this. Why is the sky blue? Question arises here. Why is the sky blue? And where is your school? These types of sentence we call interrogative sentence. So students, you should remember these things. Which types of sentence start with when, which, who, why, how, where, whom. So students, you should make so many sentences at home with the starting with when, which, who, why, how, why, where. So like this. So I want to tell something. If you are at home, so make meaningful sentence. We start with interrogative. So thank you. Have a nice day, children.